In this module, we'll look at how Splunk Enterprise works, and we'll explain our Splunk Enterprise positioning and review the key features. At Splunk, our mission is to make machine data accessible, usable, and valuable to everyone. This overarching mission is what drives our company and product priorities.
Aligning with our mission statement, Splunk Enterprise is the industry-leading software for machine data analytics and has been driving innovation and setting the standard for operational intelligence since 2006. In the beginning, we were the first to introduce the paradigm of search for IT and often being referred to as the Google for the data center. Splunk 4 became the engine for machine data, with the introduction of enterprise-class features and MapReduce for horizontal scalability on commodity hardware. Splunk 5 catapulted Splunk to platform for machine data with breakthrough innovations and even faster reporting, high availability architecture, and a more robust developer framework. Splunk 5 also brought big data integrations, including integrations with Hadoop and DB Connect. Splunk 6, 6.1, and 6.2 have put particular focus on making the operational intelligence found in the data accessible to a broader business audience, well beyond IT. There is a focus on faster and easier analytics, including enhanced interaction, instant pivot, event pattern detection, and pre-built reusable visualizations. That, along with easier data onboarding and simplified management at the enterprise level, positions Splunk as the standard for operational intelligence.
Splunk version 6.3 had a special focus on performance, doubling or more the speed of search, reporting, and data indexing. 6.3 also included support for high-volume DevOps and IoT data collection, including the new HTTP event collector that uses a standard API to let application and devices send millions of events per second directly to Splunk for analysis. Splunk Enterprise 6.4 dramatically reduced the storage requirements for historical data, while providing the expanded performance, management, and security needed to support mission-critical deployments. The release introduced a new library of interactive visualizations and analytic tools designed to speed big data analysis, as well as apps designed to deliver operational intelligence for leading cloud applications and services. Now finally, Splunk Enterprise 6.5 delivers fundamental advances in machine learning, data analytics, platform management, and TCO, as well as developer tools, all designed to make it faster and easier to maximize the value of an investment in Splunk. We are able to do this because of our universal machine data platform. There's no requirement to understand the data up front, what we refer to as a schema on the fly. Just point Splunk at your data, or deploy Splunk forwarders to reliably stream data from remote systems at scale. Splunk immediately starts collecting and indexing so you can start searching and analyzing. No more armies of consultants, back-end database, or DBA to make it all work. The Splunk platform makes it so easy to load, store, and search data so you no longer need to decide what to filter and what to leave out. All the data is relevant and should be included. Beyond loading data for search and investigate, developers have been using the expanding platform for many exciting things. For example, they run searches and retrieve Splunk data from existing customer service and call center applications. They can integrate Splunk data into existing BI tools and dashboards, build mobile applications with KPI dashboards and alerts powered by Splunk, log directly to Splunk from remote devices, build customer-facing dashboards powered by user-specific data in Splunk, and programmatically extract data from Splunk for long-term data warehousing. And all of this is just the beginning. Splunk as a platform has opened up a whole new world of enterprise apps. Here are some Splunk apps that have been recently delivered. Their goal is to make it easier to use Splunk for specific technologies and use cases by pre-packaging inputs, field extractions, searches, and visualizations. These apps, along with hundreds of others, have been developed not only by Splunk, but by our partners, customers, and members of the Splunk community.
There are over 11,000 organizations utilizing the Splunk platform for analytics and visibility today. They are collecting data from its sources, technology devices, and the Internet of Things in real time. They load anywhere from tens of gigabytes to hundreds of terabytes per day. Let's talk a bit how an enterprise grows Splunk from a single use case to enterprise adoption. We observe 4 main stages, starting from search and investigate to proactive monitoring, operational visibility, and then real-time business insights.
Search and investigate. Using Splunk, organizations identify and resolve issues up to 70% faster and reduce costly escalations by up to 90%. Splunk is one place to find and fix problems and investigate incidences across all your IT systems and infrastructure. Proactive monitoring. Your customers can monitor their IT systems in real time to identify issues, problems, and attacks before impacting their customers' services and revenue. Splunk keeps watch of specific patterns, trends, and thresholds in machine data so your customers don't have to. Trigger notifications in real time via email or RSS, execute a script to take remedial actions, send to an SMMP trap to your system's management console, or generate a service ticket request. Then there's operational visibility. Help your customers see the whole picture, tracking performance and making better decisions. Visualize usage trends to better plan for capacity, spot SLA infractions, track how they're being measured by the business. Do all this using existing machine data without spending millions of dollars instrumenting the IT infrastructure. Real-time business insight. Your customers can make better informed business decisions by understanding trends, patterns, and gaining operational intelligence from your machine data. See the success of new online services by channel or demographic, reconcile third-party service provider fees against actual use, find the heaviest users and heaviest abusers, and more. Because machine data captures every behavior, the possibilities are game-changing. Your customers will find the lead times to get this intelligence dramatically less than other solutions, measured in minutes and hours instead of months. More and more customers have successfully reached the first two stages of maturity, but helping them expand to operational visibility and real-time business insights is where we really can increase their ORI.
Let's summarize some key learning points covered in this module.
Think back to our mission statement to make machine data accessible, usable, and valuable to everyone. Splunk Enterprise 6.5 delivers on that mission statement like never before, setting the standard for operational intelligence and delivering operational intelligence anyone can use. We are also supporting the ever-expanding requirements of the most demanding organizations. Splunk Enterprise 6.5 delivers fundamental advances in machine learning, data analysis, platform management, TCO, and developer tools, all designed to make it faster and easier for customers to maximize the value of their data and investment in Splunk.
From searching and reporting to achieving real-time business insights, customers are realizing the value that Splunk can bring to organizations, no matter the size, complexity, or maturity of their infrastructures. Remember that to help customers see this value, you can help them determine the maturity of their organization. Many customers will start with Splunk to search and investigate issues in their environment, and then expand to proactive monitoring. From there, leverage Splunk to achieve more operational visibility and then real-time business insights.
This concludes this module. Proceed to the next module when you are ready.